So one of the things I want to talk about on this trip, we're going to focus a little bit on getting started, what you actually need. A lot of people, I've talked to a lot of people, especially back when I had the shop. They would they would come in, and they all had this. When I get my lift kit, or once I get a rooftop tent, I'm going to start camping. Once I get the battery system and refrigerator and all that good stuff, I'm going to go camping. And to be honest, I would just tell them, just go, just you have a tent, you have a ground tent, you have a vehicle, just get out there and use it. Find out what you actually need, what you actually want. A lot of times we focus so much on the equipment that kind of lose the whole point of what we're doing, just getting out here, being out in nature, and just getting away from everything. And it doesn't help following people on your favorite YouTube channel or Instagram or whatever, and everybody's got the coolest, latest stuff, and you just don't need it. I say this, I'm driving around in a truck with a Alu-Cab canopy camper and all the bells and whistles, and honestly, it's awesome, and I'm not going to get rid of it. But I've over 30, 40 years of camping. I've done everything from camping off a bicycle or a dirt bike with nothing but a blanket, all the way up through this. I've had the rooftop tents. We've camped in ground tents. There's just so many different ways to do it, and there's no right way, there's no wrong way. But the point is, just get out there and do it, and stop making excuses of what's I can't do it until I have this, or I can't do it until I have that. Even with the Alu-Cab, I still consider myself pretty simple. The Alu-Cab replaces the tent, more or less. But I'll go through some of my cooking kit, things of that nature. There's not a whole lot. I don't really have a whole lot with me. I've got the basics. You've got food, you've got clothing, you've got something to cook on, something to eat off of, and a place to sleep. That's really all you need. So, like I said, just get out there. That's the important thing.